The Turkish Navy will soon begin receiving new Ulaq Kama kamikaze drone boats, equipped with an advanced set of weaponry and systems. This information was reported by the Turkish news outlet Anadolu Ajansi. Meteksan Defense, together with the shipbuilding company Ares Shipyard, unveiled the Ulaq Kama kamikaze drone boat and announced that they could produce up to 100 units of these drones per year. The Ulaq Kama was developed based on the combat experience of kamikaze drone boats used in Ukraine. It features a 200 kg warhead, a speed of 20 knots, and an operational range of 200 nautical miles. Communication is likely established via Starlink. For surveillance and targeting, the Ulaq Kama is equipped with television and thermal imaging cameras. According to the developers, it can operate in 3 different control modes: fully autonomous, semi-autonomous, or remote controlled. The system can be operated from any platform equipped with the necessary software. An interesting feature is that if communication is lost, depending on the mission, the Ulaq Kama may begin searching for enemy targets and autonomously execute an attack. The semi-autonomous mode likely enables a single operator to control multiple Ulaq Kama drones simultaneously, allowing for large-scale attacks with minimal personnel involvement. The Ulaq 12 ASUW unmanned surface vessel has been in development for quite some time, and in 2022, according to the developer, it conducted the world's first missile launch from an unmanned surface vessel. It has a length of 12 meters, a speed of 70 kilometers per hour, and a range of 400 kilometers. Additionally, it is equipped with a radar, thermal imaging, and television cameras, while control is carried out via a satellite communication antenna. The Ulaq 12 ASUW is armed with a remotely controlled turret equipped with a 12.7mm machine gun.